Hello, and welcome to the speed learning series of ServiceNow's Now Assist for IRM. Today, we are going to deep dive into the capabilities of ServiceNow's AI platform that is truly transforming how our teams operate GRC issue remediation process using the agentic workflow. Well, here's a quick look at what we'll cover today. We'll start by introducing Now Assist for IRM. Next, we'll see how to optimize GRC issue resolution, right? How it streamlines and speeding up resolving your GRC challenges, making a process faster and more accurate. Then we'll cover its straightforward setup and activation of the agentic workflow. Well, after that, a live demonstration. We'll see Now Assist agentic workflow in action. We'll then provide valuable resources for your implementation and FAQs. Finally, we'll conclude with the key takeaways and next steps. Well, as you see, the message is clear. Risk team embracing AI will thrive, right? So the risk landscape nowadays demands more smarter ways of working, and hence Now Assist plays a vital role. Now Assist for IRM is ServiceNow's powerful AI. It's built to make managing governance, risk, and compliance much easier and better, right? So it helps in boosting productivity that uses smarter AI to cut through the clutters, summarizes info, suggests fixes, and help with reports and less busy work, more results. It improves quality. You get smarter AI-driven insights for stronger risk management and compliance, better decisions with better outcomes. It engages teams by automating the dull, repetitive tasks. Your experts can now focus on high-value, interesting work. This makes their jobs more interesting. Our aim is to force multiply the power of your organization by empowering every risk professional with AI-driven use cases, which are all, again, natively built on Now platform, leveraging your existing data. Well, let's acknowledge the current state of many GRC teams that without an intelligent assistance, they often face a significant hurdle, right? So first, let's consider the issue analyst. Their daily work is often manual and time-consuming that leads to inefficient remediations and action planning. They're spending too much of time on administrative tasks rather than strategic problem solving. So a big challenge is the inconsistent resolution, right? So without standardized guidance, different analysts might have similar issue. Might handle the similar issues differently, leading to varied outcomes. And crucially, there's often an inconsistent understanding of issues or their root causes and best practices for resolution across the teams. Now, moving up to the issue managers. Right, issue managers do also bear the brunt of these inefficiencies. So they frequently deal with the delayed issue resolution time, right? Bottlenecks and manual handoffs slows everything down. This results in higher manual overload for them as they often have to step in and chase for updates. Ultimately, these fragmented and delayed process leads to poor decision making without clear and timely insights. It's hard to prioritize issue resolution, effectively. Now, looking at the bigger picture, issue management teams are often hampered by highly manual, inefficient, and inconsistent issue resolution process. They directly translate to delays, increased workloads, and suboptimal decision making across the board. Right. So this is the challenge we aim to address with Now Assist's agentic workflow. Now, let's look at the transformation once Now Assist is integrated or used within the issue resolution process. Now, for the issue analyst, the most immediate benefit is enhanced efficiency. Now, Assist provides automated issue resolution capabilities. This means less manual efforts as the system intelligently suggests and even initiates remediation steps. They gain quick and precise action plans and remediations. No more guessings or inconsistent approaches. The system guides them to optimal solution, ensuring consistency and speed. Right, and for the issue managers, the impact is equally profound. They see faster resolution time across the board. Bottlenecks are reduced, and the entire process moves more smoothly, leading to quicker closure of issues. Critically, Now Assist enables intelligent decision making across the board. Now, this agentic AI empowers both the issue analyst and the managers with automated action plans and precise remediations. Furthermore, it provides them with real-time predictive insights for proactive decision making. In essence, Now Assist transforms a manual reactive process into an intelligent, proactive, and highly efficient one, leading to a stronger GRC posture for the entire organization. For example, you can see how the particular issue record is being populated with the remediation tasks that are generated using the Now Assist panel. And we'll see this in action, when we reach to our demo part. Well, so now, how does Now Assist actually do this, right? It's just not an AI tool. It's a sophisticated team of AI agents and skill working in harmony, right? So anytime a user invokes the analysis panel can key in, say, optimize GRC issue resolution, or can always click onto a pill. There will be a pill which says, optimize GRC issue resolution for the issue or the record he or she is in. What it does is first, the issue summarization skill kicks in the background, right? So this skill instantly analyzes all the raw data, all the raw data and the notes and the records that are present within the issue record, right? So behind the scene, it quickly, it is quickly reading and understanding everything to provide you with a concise summary of the issue record, right? This saves a lot of manual review right up front. And then the the issue action plan agent takes over, right? Leveraging the historical data and best practices, this agent identifies similar past issues and processes a structured, intelligent action plan. It, it's effectively, giving you a roadmap of resolution tailored to the specific issue. And upon the acceptance of the action plan, finally, the remediation task agent brings it all to life, right? So based on that action plan, this agent automatically retrieves and generates specific remediation tasks, presenting them directly for your review and acceptance, right? So it turns a high-level plan into actionable steps ready to be assigned. And upon the acceptance, it smartly generates the remediation tasks that gets populated in the remediation task tab on your issue records, and further allowing the analyst or the managers to assign the right users to work upon a task. So well, the Now Assist panel you see in the middle is where all these intelligent outputs are presented to the user. Now, these multi-agent approach is the core of our agentic workflow, ensuring GRC issues are resolved with unprecedented speed and consistency and precision. Now, let's talk about the setup aspects. First, the prerequisites, again, are crucial, right? So your platform version needs to be on Yokohama patch 1, but we do recommend patch 3 for optimal performance and stability. Your IRM version should be about 20.1, right? This ensures compatibility with the latest AI capabilities. You'll need to install the Now Assist for IRM plugin version 20.1.1 or latest if available, right? So this installation typically requires ServiceNow admin role, and you'll find this easily on the ServiceNow store. Well, now, the next thing is to activate the agentic AI workflow. That is the uh, optimize GRC issue resolution, right? So the role required for this action is the SN Now Assist admin.nsa underscore admin, essentially a ServiceNow administrator with Now Assist permissions, or it can be any other admin role from your IRM program for activating uh, you know the agentic AI workflows. Well, again, for activating, you may need to also activate the issue summarization skill. Use the Now Assist admin console, which we have covered in our previous Now Assist learning dedicated to issue summarization. And then to activate the issue resolution agentic workflow, use the AI Agent Studio. Well, we have listed the steps to activate agentic workflow using the AI Agent Studio. For more detailed instructions, you can always visit the Activate Agentic Workflow page from the ServiceNow's documentation portal. Right. Now, let's see the personas involved here. First and foremost, the ServiceNow administrator, who are again responsible for the day-to-day configurations, management, and maintenance of the entire ServiceNow platform. Use the admin users to install the Now Assist plugin. Additionally, they can be also, acting as your Now Assist admin. But then again, now the next role is Now Assist admin itself, which can be again given to any of your, IRM admins, right? They have this additional administrative duties focused specifically on the generative AI or the agentic AI capabilities. Right, and this includes the implementing and customizing or overseeing the complete AI features like summarization and agentic workflows. You'll need to give this role to a user who performs the admin related activities in your IRM program. Right, again, it could be your IRM admins. And finally, the issue analyst or the issue managers. Now, uh, these are your actual end users who are directly getting benefited from the issue resolution agentic workflows. Right, so the issue analyst or the manager require an additional generative AI user role, specifically the SN GRC Gen AI issue AI agent user and the SN GRC Gen AI issue user to access and utilize these AI capabilities within issue management. Now, again, a quick note: these AI capabilities require IRM Pro Plus or the IRM Enterprise Plus subscription. Well, all right, so let's move into the exciting part. That's demo. Well, this demo is built on Yokohama Patch 3 release, and IRM version is 20.1 that I will be using in this demo for the better and ensuring we get the latest capabilities. First we'll walk you through the activating the agentic workflow for optimizing GRC issue resolution and show you how the related AI agents are enabled. Then we'll see the issue resolution agentic workflow in action. I will demonstrate this by showing how Now Assist AI agents automatically generate remediation tasks. Again, a key part of accelerating issue closure. Finally, we'll provide a quick walkthrough on the AI Agent Studio. This will give you a glimpse into where these intelligent agents are configured and managed. Well, again, a quick note on the prerequisites while you're trying this by yourself. Uh, ensure you have activated the issue summarization skill and ensure you have a few relevant issues in the analyze the state and some in the closed complete state to showcase the full life cycle. So when I say relevant, so when you're trying to generate a remediation for a specific issue, make sure you have something in your DB which is similar to the issue which you're trying to generate the resolution for. All right, so what I've done is I've logged in here as the ServiceNow admin, and as an admin, you can go to the ServiceNow store, download the plugin for Now Assist for IRM and install it. So once you install this plugin, make sure you also set your issue summarization skill to active, for which as an admin, you can navigate to admin, Now Assist admin console, and within you can navigate to Now Assist skill under technology workflows, click on IRM. So all the supported skills for IRM would be listed out here, but in this instance, I've just set it for issue summarization and set this to active. This is quite simple. Just follow these steps within the activation process and enable the summarization skill. We have also covered this in detail in our one of the previous videos for issue summarization skills. Now, so once you activate the issue summarization skill, you can go to the AI Agent Studio, and this is where you actually activate your agentic workflows. So once you land into the AI Agent Studio homepage, scroll down, and within the agentic workflows, look for optimized GRC issue resolution. Click onto this. And once you land into the first page, which is nothing but defining the key requirement, you should be able to see what is the name of this workflow, the description for it, and the steps that are involved, right? And it will also list the agents that will be working within this agentic workflows. So if you see there, importantly at the moment, there are two. One is the issue action plan AI agent, and the other one is the remediation task AI agent. You will have to set this active before you enable this. For now, in this demo, I've already set it active, but you can always click into the agent and navigate through all of these pages. And finally, when you're in the toggle display, set it on. So like just to take you through this, right? So the first page, which is nothing but differentiate and define. This is where you define the role of your agent, and then the list of steps that this agent would perform. You might want to edit this just in case, if there is a business requirement for you to get in more context for your resolution. But then from the out of the box, this pretty much covers almost each and every step that needs to generate the remediation tasks. Well, you can save and continue. Go to the add tools and information, and this is where you can bring in more details. Like as in, you can add the tools, right? You can add the scripts. You add the flow actions as to how your agentic AI you want it to work for you, right? But I'm for this demo, I'm just keeping everything as out of the box and just going through all of these tabs. This is where you define the triggers. And finally, when you are in the toggle display, set the status to on, and finally save and test. Similarly, uh, you may have to do this for uh, the remediation agent. Well, again, you go into optimize GRC issue resolution down below, get into the remediation task AI agent, and do the same steps which we have already done for the issue action plan. Finally, after activating this, both of these skills, you may then, activate, set to display this into your analysis panel, right? So when you say this to display analysis into your analysis panel, this will also show you a pill which you can use while generating the action plan and the remediation plan, which we'll see in a moment. Well, so this is how you can, activate the agents, right? And just to quickly take you through the settings page. Within the settings page, and this is where you can see which model has been used. So by default for the agentic workflows, we are using Azure OpenAI, but you're free to configure this and use any other LLMs you wish to use, provided you have the right set of APIs to integrate that. But I would still insist you to go through the Now Assist admin trainings to do the these level of configurations. Okay, moving on. Let us see this in action, right? So what give me a second. All right, what we can do now is, impersonate Jim Halpert. And so now Jim is the user to which I have already provided the GenAI roles, which we have seen in our previous decks from the personas slide. So let's impersonate Jim. Now, say, go to any of your workspaces where you can access the issues. For now, I'm accessing the risk management workspace, and within this, I'll be going to the issue overview page. Now, within the issue overview page, look for the issues which are in analyzed state, right? Because the remediation, tasks which you want to generate using the analysis panel will be only working when your issue state is in analyze. Okay. Now, let's pick an issue, for example, backup recovery test failure. Right. So now, as the issue analyst or the issue manager, you may definitely need to go through each and every detail to, to get an idea as to what this issue is all about and what remediation tasks you may need to add. Now, this definitely involves a lot of effort in terms of understanding it, interpreting it in the in a right way, and then processing to create those remediation tasks. But then, using Now Assist, you can simplify this and reduce a lot of amount of time. So, access the Now Assist panel. Once you access the Now Assist panel, you can already see a pill which says Generate GRC Issue Action Plan. Click on this. Now it will. Now this is where it starts. Figuring out as to what are the next steps. And now that it is asking, should it use the current page to generate, for which you can say yes. It is now processing further information and would try to summarize the issue first, and then would generate the action plan for it. So you can see the progress over here. It says summarizing action steps, fetching the issue details, now generating the issue summary. Now, when it says it is generating the issue summary, which is nothing but is leveraging the issue summarization skill here. Now, you're getting the quick summary as to here, quarterly disaster recovery testing, revealed that critical database backups for CRM systems are corrupted, so on and so forth. Again, it is just going through all of the issue record and trying to summarize this. Now, further down, what it is also doing is it is generating the issue action plan. Now, this is where it says, it has provided you 3 steps, right? 3 action plans. One is investigating the root cause of the backup corruption, and then, implement automated backups, and then deploy and establish alternative backup solutions. Right? Now, if this is good with you as an issue analyst or as a manager, stating that, right, this might be the action plan and let's create the remediation tasks. In this case, the system is asking you to either accept it. When you say accept, this will further proceed to create the remediation steps. But then if you want to edit, you can edit this, and what it will do, it will further refine the action plans, and based on that, you can take a call whether to proceed with the remediation steps. If this is not sounding relevant to what your issue is and how your action plans is, you can always use the dismiss, and this process will just stop here. So with a happy flow, let's accept this. Okay, give it a second so that it generates the remediation plan. So once you accept this, what it does is it will populate the action plan into the status and the details over here. If you see, the action plan has been populated with those 3 steps, and based on that, now it is creating the remediation tasks. Give it a second so that it creates the remediation tasks. There you go. Now this has proposed you the remediation task. So as an issue analyst or the managers, you can go through this. This is what the description would be, what the name it is, right? And further, if you feel all good, you can accept it. If not, you can edit it. This will again further refine it and then produce you the next set of recommendations. For now, let's say accept. So now that you have accepted the remediation tasks, this will go ahead and create those 3 remediation tasks. There you go. Now you should be able to see there are 3 tasks which have been created, and all these 3 tasks would be now listed under your remediation tasks tab. There you go. You see now, if you want to further make edits to this, you are free to do this. You want to make some finer adjustment. You want to set the right level of priority, and set the users to whom it should be assigned, and proceed with the usual issue remediation flow. Looks simple, but as you have seen, there is a lot which goes behind the scenes to generate the remediation task. But yes, this significantly, reduces the amount of time an issue analyst or a managers put into generating the remediation tasks. Well, there's another way how a user can access the Now Assist, right? So this is like directly going from the workspace. The other way around is you can go to the Employee Center, and from the Employee Center, you can go to the GRC tasks and work upon the issues which are in analyzed state. So you can go to GRC tasks. Right, and now that you are into issues, you can pick any of the issues that you want to work upon, and generate the remediation tasks. You can click on Now Assist and further go through the remediation task process. So yeah, there's 2 ways how a user can invoke the Now Assist and work upon the the issue resolution. Now, further to this, let's end the impersonation and go back to the admin. What I also wanted to show you in the AI Agent Studio is going to the overview page, and So once you mature using the AI agents, right, you can also create your own agentic workflows from here. Plus, you can also create the AI agents uh, from here, right? As you want to copy the existing ones, you can further do that. You can make a copy of your current workflows and make edits to that. Similarly, that stands good again for your AI agents, wherein you can make changes to the instructions as to how you want the agent to work for you. Like you can make changes to the roles. You can make the changes or instruction. You can change. You can bring in those changes as to what you need the AI to generate for you. Similarly, with this, if you want to see how your agentic AI has been used and the analytics behind it, you can click on View Analytics. And this is where it will take you to show you the complete picture as to how your AI agents have been used. This is where, and you'll get the summary of to which agents have been used, what agent tools are those, and the execution task again with the timestamp with the within the last 7 days. Further to that, you can look into the statuses of your AI executions, similarly how it is performing, and also the assist consumptions over here. So yeah, this is more of the housekeeping work which your admin would be more interested to do and to know how your agents are performing and how it has been utilized within your organization. All right, so moving back to the deck from where we started. So, so far we have seen how pre-built AI agent optimizes your GRC program. But what if you have unique needs? This is where the AI Agent Studio comes in. It empowers you to build your own AI agent, like we have seen in the walkthrough, where you can build your own agent, where you can create your own agentic workflow or use the prompt management, use those instructions to make it work the way you want it, right? So the core idea is to find and build the AI agent for any workflows, industries or department, right? This isn't just for GRC, it's a platform for enterprise-wide automation. Some of the key capabilities of the AI agent, right? So can scale your skill digital workforce, right? You can seamlessly integrate out of the box AI agent with your custom built ones to automate workflows end to end from start to finish. This extends your human workforce with intelligent digital assistants, right? Then create and customize the AI agent where no code is required, right? Again, so this is a huge differentiator. You can build, test, and run AI agent using a natural language. This means business users can define agent behavior without needing to write, any line of code. Easily equips AI agent with the tool they need, right? So your AI agent aren't isolated; they run directly on ServiceNow's platform, leveraging your existing automation workflows and integrations. Finally, analyzing your AI agents' performance, right? So it's not enough to just build them. You need to know if they are working as well, right? So AI Agent Studio allows you to track the real impact of your AI agents with the dedicated dashboards like we have seen that shows the usage, efficiency gain, and their direct business value. Well, this slide again addresses some of the common questions Now Assist and for its AI agents. What could be the data requirement? So to work effectively, AI agents need at least one, but I would say more relevant data. Right, relevant closed issues for its training, as data quality directly impacts the performance. Well, again, can you build your own agents? Yes, you can build your own agents. Own custom agents through the platforms. Go to the create an AI agent platform documentation. It gives you the enough details how you can build and configure your own agent. Now, again, what LLMs are supported? Now LLM, right? So Now Assist primarily uses the Azure OpenAI, but also supports ServiceNow LLM, Anthropic Cloud, and Google Gemini. So, right, if you have accessible endpoints and API keys, you can use any other LLM you may want to. Well, again, the roles, we have covered the roles as to which role is needed to generate those remediation tasks using the Now Assist. Now, again, when it comes to the data security or the data access, right? So the optimized GRC issue resolution agent inherits the invoking user, as in the logged in user's privileges, right? Meaning it can only access the data that the logged in user is already authorized to view and to work upon. Well, we have now explored the power of agentic AI, and now let's talk about the next steps. Right? So the initial step is to, getting all this ready, right? This involves a technical assessment of your current environment, ensuring data readiness, meaning your data is clean and prepared for AI consumptions, and overall readiness planning for the implementation. Seek the help or support from your ServiceNow's point of contact. It could be the impact team, or it could be the account executives. Get in touch with them, and they should be more than happy to help you on this. Once you're ready, activate the required skills and the agents. Finally, you can configure the skill using the prompt management for the from the AI Agent Studio, and from the Now Assist Admin Console as well. And as you mature, you can build your own skills and AI agent to make them work for you. Well, the ultimate impact of these AI features will boost in your efficiency across the GRC operations, right? It helps you automate issue resolutions, taking away the manual burdens, leading directly to the faster issue remediations, reducing your time taken to close the issue. With better insights, you achieve improved decision making, and all of this is driven by AI-powered agentic insights, right, giving you a deeper understanding of your GRC landscape. Well, we have again lined up some of the key resources to aid your implementation on agentic workflows. Please use these resources for better understanding. All right. Thank you for watching this short learning video. I hope this has provided you with some key insights on issue resolution agentic workflow. Thank you, and see you soon.